Welcome to today's instructional video on solving for a variable in a simple linear equation. In this video, we will go step by step to solve the equation 3 times x minus 2 equals 7. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to confidently solve similar equations on your own. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. To solve the equation 3x minus 2 equals 7, the first step is to isolate the term with the variable. We want to move the minus 2 away from the left side of the equation. To do this, we add 2 to both sides of the equation. This is because adding 2 cancels out the minus 2 on the left side. So we start with the equation. 3x minus 2 equals 7. Now add 2 to both sides. When you add 2 to the left side, minus 2 plus 2 equals 0, and we are left with just 3x. On the right side, 7 plus 2 equals 9. So the equation now looks like 3x equals 9. To solve the equation 3x minus 2 equals 7, the first step is to isolate the term with the variable. We want to move the minus 2 away from the left side of the equation. To do this, we add 2 to both sides of the equation. This is because adding 2 cancels out the minus 2 on the left side. So we start with the equation 3x minus 2 equals 7. Now add 2 to both sides. When you add 2 to the left side, minus 2 plus 2 equals 0, and we are left with just 3x. On the right side, 7 plus 2 equals 9. So the equation now looks like 3x equals 9. To solve for the variable x, we need to get x by itself. The term 3x means 3 times x. To cancel out the 3 times part, we do the opposite operation, which is division. We divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we have 3x divided by 3 equals 9 divided by 3. On the left side, 3x divided by 3 cancels out the 3, leaving us with just x. On the right side, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Thus, x equals 3. This is the final step. We have solved for the variable x, so the solution to the equation 3x minus 2 equals 7 is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.